Promotion is a form of recognition for employees. What should an employee do to become prime candidate to get desired promotion? Hi everyone, this is Renu Sharma. So today's topic is how to prepare yourself to get promotion at workplace. Let me ask you a question. Are you wondering how to get promotion at workplace? If you have been working in a company for some time, what could you do to move up the ladder? I have been talking to lots of professionals who are getting seamless promotions and also in touch with others who did not get promotion for quite some time. I had a lot of conversation with HR professionals as what is the right way and time to get promotion. So I'm sharing 6 strategy and I promise you they will work like magic. First one is understand your boss and act like a boss. It does not matter you like your boss or not, but he or she is the important person at your workplace. Understand his or her style of working and don't think like your co-workers but think a few steps ahead. Know the problem, solve the problem for your boss before it actually comes up, and not just doing whatever you are asked to do but thinking just a few steps ahead. When you do that, you naturally get promoted a lot faster. Second one is avoid office gossips and politics. There are always people who belong to kind of this group or that group. They are talking shit and backstab others. If you want to grow, then do not try to do this because people on top will see through it. So avoid all those things. Focus on what you do. Do well. Help your colleagues. Help your co-workers. Support them. Help them grow. Then it will become a very nice positive momentum. Next one is know your motivation. Get clear what promotion means to you, what it looks like, what it feels like. Is it status change or increase in role scope and role responsibilities? Is it more money? Main thing is you cannot tell people what you want if you don't know yourself. So know the exact motivation behind promotion. Understand the rule of the company. You need to understand what are the HR policies, what are the key dates and milestones. If you put your head down, work hard, pick up extra projects and work during weekend and still you did not get promotion, then you are really frustrated, right? But you need to understand what competency you need to show, what kind of deliverables need to be delivered. Really getting clear what you look like the person who deserve promotion. Promotion is not about you, but it is about the organization. It is about you being able to step up and add more value and give even more to the organization in different capacity. So you need to know how you can shine your strength. Who needs to know about you? Who needs to know about the work you do? And who needs to know what you want from your future? Whenever you get chance to take responsibility, take it just to show that you are the right person for this position. This is going to show your boss that you are capable. Next thing you need to do is to sit down with your boss and let them know that you are interested in promotion. You cannot assume just because you are working hard and you are doing a great job that people will know that you even want that promotion. He cannot read your mind. He does not know where you see yourself. So don't be afraid to share. Tell him, this is my career path. How do you feel about that? Paint a vision for them and also show them your accomplishment. This will allow them know more about your journey, how the company would get more benefit out of your experience. If they say no for now, whatever it is, then don't get disheartened. But you should not walk away with no. You walk away with okay, how do we make this happen? Ask for coaching, ask for guidance. Don't be afraid. Ask what books you recommend me to read, what courses you recommend me to take, what expectations and experience you have for that person in this position. But most people never ask this. Also share with your selective co-workers. Maybe they'll be able to help you on your path as well. Then you can do gap analysis, what you need to learn, what are the knowledge gaps, what are the relationship gaps, mindset, what is important for the company, and so on. Establish relationship across the organization. I want you to up your visibility. Spend some time with your co-workers to get to know each other. Maybe the boss likes your work and he wants to promote you. But if all the managers are saying no, guess what? You are not getting promotion. Now I am not talking about being a people pleaser, but I am talking about maintaining good relationship with everyone. At least few are comfortable with you. So when your name is brought up in the meeting, then they will back you by saying she would be perfect for that new role or he would be more than capable. You need other people to back you up. You should keep on maintaining relations with them by having conversation on lunch or tea break, wishing them on birthdays, inviting them on dinner, maybe just smiling or greeting them good morning or say hi or hello to them or just helping them when they need your help. Remember one thing, you should not do this 1 or 2 days before promotion. This is not genuine. You need to do this ahead of time. If you think that there is a toxic atmosphere at your workplace, then I will suggest you to float your CV in job market and try to get job in good organization. I hope these tips will help you to get promotion you deserve. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my new videos. See you in next video.